Natural ways to clean your gums and teeth. Teeth become dull and lose their sharp white gleam due to a variety of factors. Certain foods can stain the enamel on your teeth, which is the outermost layer. Plaque accumulation on your teeth can also cause them to appear yellow. Cleaning and whitening treatments may normally be used to treat this form of discoloration. If the hard enamel has eroded, exposing the dentin underneath. Dentin is a bony tissue that lies underneath the enamel and is naturally yellow. Here are 6 easy ways to whiten your teeth naturally. Number 1. Brush with baking soda. Baking soda is a popular ingredient in commercial toothpaste because of its natural whitening properties. It's a gentle abrasive that can be used to remove surface stains from teeth. Baking soda also produces an alkaline atmosphere in your mouth, which inhibits the growth of bacteria. This isn't a quick fix, but you can note a difference in appearance of your teeth over time. Brushing your teeth with pure baking soda has not been proven to whiten your teeth, but several studies have shown that toothpaste containing baking soda has a strong whitening effect. Number 2. Use hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a naturally occurring bleaching agent that also destroys bacteria in the mouth. Because of its ability to destroy bacteria, people have been using hydrogen peroxide to disinfect wounds for years. Many industrial whitening items contain hydrogen peroxide, but at a far higher concentration than you'll be using. Unfortunately, no studies have looked into the results of simply rinsing or brushing with hydrogen peroxide, but some studies have looked into commercial peroxide toothpaste. Number 3. Eat fruits and vegetables. Fruit and vegetable-rich diets can be beneficial to both your body and your teeth. Crunchy raw fruits and vegetables help rub plaque away when you chew, but they're no substitute for brushing. Strawberry and pineapple are 2 fruits that have been touted as teeth whiteners. A natural cure popularized by celebrities is whitening your teeth with a strawberry and baking soda combination. The malic acid used in strawberries, according to proponents, will strip discoloration from your teeth, while the baking soda will buff away stains. Number 4. Don't underestimate the value of brushing and flossing. Although some tooth discoloration is caused by aging, the majority of it is caused by plaque accumulation. Brushing and flossing your teeth on a regular basis will help you keep your teeth white by reducing bacteria in your mouth and avoiding plaque accumulation. Toothpaste removes stains on your teeth gently, while flossing removes bacteria that cause plaque. Dental cleanings on a regular basis will also help your teeth remain clean and white. The bottom line is that there are a range of natural ways to whiten your teeth. The majority of these treatments work by extracting surface stains from your teeth gently. Many dentists, on the other hand, sell whitening procedures that are much more powerful than these natural remedies. They include bleaching the teeth, which can be more successful in cases of extreme discoloration. Any whitening product used excessively will damage your teeth. Often consult your dentist to learn more about your choices and may be the right fit for you. If you liked this video and want to see more similar content, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!